Hello, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can adjust video quality setting on Facebook. Now first thing you need to do is you can do the exact same steps on your app, okay, or you can just use the web version for a few minutes until you fix this. Then you can change the setup like the video quality or the photo quality. Now you just need to click on your profile in the top right. After that you want to click on settings and privacy, then click on settings. Now here you just need to search in the top left. You want to search for quality, okay. After you search for quality, you will be able to see here video default quality, background opacity. Here you just need to click on video default quality. Now you can also toggle this I to apply here, I to apply videos, GIF, if on Facebook, and then your chats. Now you just need to click in the top for video default quality. Now you can change it to whatever you want. You can change it to HD if available. So just click now this will make sure that you watch the most highest quality available in the video setting or of the uploader. Now you just need to select here HD if available, click on save. Now you will be able to see only high quality videos here. So that's exactly how you can change this on your Facebook. By the way, you can do the exact same steps on your phone. It works for both devices. Hopefully this tutorial helps you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. Like I said, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you.